Food and Beverage Services, Quarter 4. Our topic is Listen to Customers' Complaint. Listen to Customers' Complaint. This topic will give the learners an idea on how to deal with customers in order to build trust, loyalty, and satisfaction of the services they have experienced. Also, this will give the learners a knowledge on how to communicate effectively in order to avoid problems and challenges. It also teaches them the value of work by planning a good customer service. Customers are individuals who need your assistance. They are the reason you have a job. Customers want to pay a reasonable price for goods and quality service or products and feel satisfied on how much they had paid for a service or product they receive. They want someone to take care and understand their needs and help answer them. Good customer service is all about the attitude and skills of the host by extending extra step to help without being asked. Customers' demands. Developing a customer-friendly approach. The cliche, "the customer is always right," is derived from the customer-friendly environment. Promoting customer-friendly service is one commonality of a business industries that provide good service in development of a system and attitude. Being a customer-friendly means considering the customer as the most vital part of your job. To communicate and develop relationships are two main tasks of a successful customer relations. They don't take a huge effort, but don't happen directly either. Having a positive dialogue or communication with your customers and developing ongoing relationships with them are perhaps the two most important qualities to strive for in customer service. What does customer service mean? Customer service means providing a quality product or service that contents the needs of or wants of a customer and keeps them coming back. Good customer service means much more. It means continued success, increased profits, higher job satisfaction, improved company or organization morale, better teamwork, and market expansion of services or products. Good customer service results to consumer satisfaction, return of customers, and growth in business, while poor customer service, except for monopolistic strongholds, generally results to consumer dissatisfaction, lack of returning customers, and dwindling business. The following are the professional qualities in customer service. First is the friendliness, the simplest quality which is associated with courtesy and politeness. Empathy. The customer needs to know that the service provider understands their wants and circumstances. Fairness. The customer wants to feel they receive sufficient attention and reasonable answers. Control. The customer wants to feel his or her wants and input has impact on the outcome. And information. Customer wants to distinguish about products and services in a pertinent and time-sensitive manner. The attitude checklist. What attitudes assist in providing good service? Enjoy helping people, handle people well, care for your customers, give fair and equal treatment to all, and be understanding of people with special needs. Greeting customers. Be attentive and acknowledge a person as soon as they appear, even if you are busy. Smile. Establish eye contact. Tell them your name. Ask how you can help. Give the customer your full attention and be polite and courteous. Establishing rapport. What does good rapport feel like? Practice greeting someone. Make the customer feel comfortable. Make the customer feel important and valued. And use empathy. Customers are the individuals who need your assistance and care. Good customer service is the best attitude and skills to keep by every wait stop. Customer service means providing a quality product or service that satisfies the needs or wants of a customer and keep them coming back. Being a customer friendly would mean seeing the customers as the key part of the services. A happy and satisfied customer will continue to be a buying customer and a returning customer. This is said to be the overall point of a customer service. Tips to help you handle other complaints and send your customer home with a smile. Listen intently to what the customer has to say. Even if you cannot solve the problem, you still need to listen. Do not interrupt them. They need to tell their story and feel that they heard. Body language. The way you stand and look at the customer can speak more than words. Maintain eye contact and do not cross your arms over your chest if you are feeling defensive. Avoid the urge to nod and smile instead, no matter how irritated you may feel. This shows you value their opinion and the business. Tips on valuing customers. Make sure the focus of your manager and staff is on the customers and not only the process of running the business. Run your entire business to suit customers. Make sure that the concept of moment of opportunity is understood and implemented by every staff member, whether they directly serve customers or work behind the scenes. Reward staff for excellent customer service and ensure that every person you employ understand that it is the customer who pays for his or her wages. Listening and evaluating a customer's complaint may be summarized into the following. Politely ask for the issues or concern from the guest. Note the details of the guest complaint or concern. Give full attention to a complaining guest and repeat the complaint of the guest to determine if the concern is correctly understood. A time to remember. This is Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.